Hello students, today we are going to solve the second numerical of maximum utility. Question is given as three new roads PQR are planned in a district. The data for these roads are given in the table below, that is this table. Based on the principle of maximum utility, the order of priority for these three roads should be. Now here road PQR is given, whose length is 20 km, 28 km and 12 km, and number of villages with population less than 2000, between 2000 to 5000 and greater than 5000 is given in this table along the particular road, that is PQ and R, like this. Okay, now we need to find the priority of these three roads. Now we know that for the calculation of utility value, we need to assign the utility factor, that is 0.5, 1, 2, 4 for the population ranges. So for road P, we need to multiply 0.5 into 8 plus 1 into 6 plus 2 into 1. Now for finding the utility value, we need to divide this value by the length of the road P, that is given in the question, that is 20. After solving this, we will get the utility value of road P equals to 0.6. Similarly, we can determine the utility value for road Q, which will be equals to 0.5 into 19 plus 1 into 8 plus 2 into 4, and by dividing it with the length of road Q, that is 28, we will get the utility value of road Q equals to 0.91. Similarly, we can determine the utility value of road R, which will be equals to 0.5 into 7 plus 1 into 5 plus 2 into 2, and by dividing this value by the length of road R, which will be equals to 12 km. After solving this, we will get the utility value as 1.04. So from these three calculated value, we will get the order of priority of the three roads, that is R is greater than Q is greater than P, because the utility value of road R is very high as compared to road Q and road P. That's why the correct priority of the road as per the utility value will be R is greater than Q is greater than P. That will be the final solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.